Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Students, good morning. Today we will learn chapter number 3, Param Nidhanam Kaha. Param means great or better. Nidhanam means treasure. Kaha means what? What is a great treasure? See, you know very well about the King Bhoj. King Bhoj was very famous for his intelligence and cleverness. In this chapter, we will learn some good quality of King Bhoj as a conversation between two person. It means one unknown youth. The youth was also very scholar, and the King Bhoj also very scholar. Students, now we will see the translation. भोजः नाम नृपतिः विद्याप्रियः कलाप्रियः प्रजाप्रियः च आसीत्. सी भोजः नाम नृपतिः. नृपतिः मीन्स किंग. विद्याप्रियः मीन्स बिलव्ड ऑफ लर्निंग. कलाप्रियः मीन्स बिलव्ड ऑफ आर्ट. प्रजाप्रियः, प्रजा मीन्स सब्जेक्ट्स. Subjects means praja. Praja means public. See, here translation is a king by named Bhoj was the lover of learning, lover of fine arts, and devoted to his subjects. अतः तस्य राजसभायां दूरदेशात् अनेके विद्याविशारदाः पंडिताः समागच्छन्ति. अतः means so. राजसभायां means in his royal court. दूरदेशात् means from very afar countries. विद्याविशारदाः means expert or scholar. Samagachanti means came. So many scholars, expert is used to come to his royal assembly from very afar countries. एकदा भोजः प्रासादस्य गवाक्षे उपविष्टः आसीत्. एकदा means one day. Prasad means palace. Gavaksh means a rounded balcony. Asit means was. One day, King Bhoj was seated in the round window of the palace. Sah marge ekam navagantukam anabhigyam yokam pashyati. Sah means he. Marge means on the way. He saw on the way newly arrived unknown youth in the street. Marge means in the street. तस्य परिचयं ज्ञातुं सः प्रसादम् आह्वयति. Ahvayati means he calls. He calls him into the palace in order to know who he is. ततः तयोः मध्ये एवं वार्तालापः संजातः. ततः means then. तयोः मध्ये means between them. Then between them the conversation took place in this way. Now dialogues are there. First dialogue is Bhojah Bhavan Kah Vartate. Bhoj said, Bhavan means O respected one, Kah means who, Vartate means is. O respected, who are you? Yuvakah Aham Ghatapandita Asmi. Yuvakah means youth said, I am Ghatapanditah. See, what is the meaning of Ghat Pandit? We don't know. Ghatah means pot, Panditah means scholar. I am scholar, pot scholar? No, it is not the meaning of this. Okay, the king also not understood. So king asked him one question. Ghat Panditah? Kim naam Ghat Panditah? Oh, really? You are Ghat Panditah? And what is the meaning of Ghat Panditah? Yuvakah yatha ghate परिपूर्णं जलं तिष्ठति तथा एव मयि परिपूर्णं ज्ञानं वर्तते. यथा घटे, यथा means as, घटे means in the pot, jalam means water. See, just as there is a water filled up its brain into the pot, अतः अहम स्वात्मानं घटपंडितः मन्ये. अतः मीन्स सो. स्व आत्मानं मतलब माई सेल्फ. स्वात्मानं मीन्स माई सेल्फ. In the same way, there is full of knowledge into me, so I consider myself to be Ghatapanditah. Bhojah. King Bhoj said, Yuvakasya garvapurnam oktim srutva. Srutva means listening. Listening the proud speech of the youth, and tataha swatmanam tata api adhikam matva ahankarena saha. And then thinking himself to be better than him, he said proudly. He said that proudly. यदि त्वं घटः असि तर्हि अहम मुद्गरत्वेन वर्ते. See here. यदि means if you are pot, ghatam means pot, then myself is a hammer. The hammer. See here. मुद्गरः स्वकीयेन प्रहारेण घटं विनाशयति. मुद्गरः means hammer. The hammer breaks the pot by its own stroke. By its own stroke. Aham api ghatarupam bhavantam vinashayami. I will also destroy you like a pot. Now see here, this youth is not an ordinary person, he is also the scholar. So he is showing his intelligence by saying some dialogues. Yuvak said, Yadi bhavan mudagatvaram vartishe tari aham agnihi bhavami. Yadi means if you are like a hammer, I will become fire, becoming fire which does the work of burning. I will reduce the hammer to ashes. It means I will destroy you in the form of hammer, becoming fire. Okay. King Bhoj was also very intelligent, so he also replied, Bhojah, tvam yadi vahanitven vartishe tarhi aham vrishtihi bhavishyami. See here, tvam means you, yadi means if, vahani means fire, vartishe tarhi aham vrishtihi. Vrishti means rain. If you become fire, I shall become rain. Vrishtiः puratah vahani sthatum na shaknoti. See, the fire cannot stand before the rainfall. तथा त्वमपि मम पुरतः स्थातुं न शक्नोषि. Similarly, you cannot stand in front of me. युवकः वृष्टि तु वायुः स्वबलेन यत्र कुत्र अपि वाहयितुं वृष्टिरूपं भवन्तमहं वायु भूत्वा इतः ततः वहिष्यामि. See here, वृष्टि तु वायुः स्वबलेन यत्र कुत्र अपि वाहयितुम् अर्हति. वृष्टि means to the rain. Vayuhu means the wind. But the wind is able to blow rain anywhere with his own force. Becoming the wind, I will blow you here and there when you are in the form of rain. Bhojah, यदि भवान् वातत्वेन वर्तिसे तर्हि अहं वायुभक्षकः भुजगः भविष्यामि. यदि means if, भवान् means respected one, भुजगः means snake. If you are wind, I will become a snake eating wind. Snake always eating wind. भुजगः सन सततं वायुरूपं भवन्तं भक्षिष्यामि. Being a snake, I will eat you constantly in the form of wind. Yuvak said, Bhavan yadi sarpah bhavishyati tari aham sarpabhakshakah garudah bhavami. O respected one, if you become a snake, I will become the eagle always eating snake. King Bhoj said, वाक्वेलिं वर्धयन्. वाक्वेलिं means increasing the conversation. यदि गरुडः असि तर्हि अहं चक्रधारक विष्णुः. त्वं means you. If you are eagle, then I am Vishnu, one who is holding Sudarshan Chakra and riding on the Garud. Garud means eagle. युवकः मनसा विष्णु प्रणम्य. युवकः means youth said, मनसा means by mind, विष्णु प्रणम्य मतलब bow down to the Lord Vishnu. Going down to the Vishnu mentally means by mentally, and displaying the scholarship continues his conversation. यदि भवान् चक्रधरः विष्णु तर्हि अहं भवतः मस्तकस्य उपरि शोभमानं मुकुटम् अस्मि. If you are Lord Vishnu holding the Sudarshan Chakra, then I am crown that looks beautiful on your head. मुकुटं सदा मुस्तकस्य उपरि एव संतिष्ठते. The crown always stays on the head. Now King Bhoj also thinking, what should I give the reply? By thinking, he said, Bhojah, Yuvakasya Pandityam Anubhuya, experiencing the scholarship of this youth. Tari Mukatasya Upri Shobhamanam Pushpam Ahi. Tari means then I am flower looking beautiful on the crown. Aham evam aham aduna tava upari sthasyami. In this way, I shall be above you. Yuvaka said, Bhavan yadi pushpam bhavishyati, O respected one, if you become the flower, tari aham api brahmarah bhutva tas pushpasya upari sthasyami. I shall also becoming a bee and sit on the flower. Bhoj said, Evam bhavan dvirefaha tarhi aham suryah. See, dvirefaha means a black bee. Suryah means the sun. King Bhoj said, in this way, if you are bee, I am the sun. Pushpasya antah stitah brahmara suryasta kale bandih bhavati. Aham apitvam bandinam karishyami. The bee that inside of the flower becomes bounded in the evening time or sunset time. I too will make you bounded. Yuvaka, aho, bhavan suryah asti, tari aham mahaprabhavi rahu. Oh, if you are the sun, I am very powerful Rahu. And Rahu always bounds the sun. Rahu to Suryam Grahaste. Rahu bounds or eats the grasate, means eats khajana. The Rahu. Okay? Bhoj said, Kinchit Uchchaihi. Uchchaihi means loudly. Some loudly. Bhavan Rahu Chet Aham Rahu Rupaya Tubhyam Danam Dasyami. See, what is the king Bhoj said? Bhavan Rahu Chet Aham Rahu Rupaya Tubhyam Danam Dasyami. If you are Rahu, I will give money or charity to you, one who has assumed as the form of Rahu. दानग्रहणेन तव गर्वं निश्चयेन शान्तः भविष्यति. This pride of yours will surely to be destroyed. Yuvakah vihasya chaturyena. Vihasya means smiling. Smiling cleverly. Yadi bhavan dani tarhi aham santushtah. See, if you are charioteer, practices the charity, it means a donor. If you are a donor, then I am one who is satisfied. One who is satisfied. Bhavatah danasya prayasa nishpalah bhavishyati. Your efforts of the charity will be fruitless. सर्वतः अलुब्ध अहम भवतः दानं न ग्रहीष्यामि. Being satisfied by all means I shall not take your money or charity from you. एवं विवादरतयोः भोजयुवकयोः मध्ये यदा सन्तोषस्य विषयं समुत्थितः तदा समागतं सन्तोषे सर्वं शान्तं भवति इति वचनानुसारं विवादः अपि स्वयम् एव शान्तः. In this way, during the conversation, when the topic came satisfaction, according to the one maxim, when contentment comes, everything become quiet. The conversation automatically stopped. Finally, bowing to the young scholar, one who was clever with the knowledge and virtues, Bhojraj, the ruler of the Dhara city, said, "O Ghatapandit, you are welcome in the kingdom of Dhara. You become victorious. No one defeats a person. No one defeats or no one can win satisfied person. Santoshah eva purushasya param nidhanam." It means satisfaction is only the greater or great treasure of the man. Now see the exercise. First question is fill in the blanks. Aham Ghatapanditah dash. Here you have to fill the blank use of present tense form. Here aham is a subject, so you have to fill there asmi. Me is a first person singular. The next question is पर्यायवाची शब्द. पर्यायवाची शब्द मीन्स संस्कृत synonyms. वायु शब्दस्य पर्यायवाची, तो वायु मीन्स वातः. Then गवाक्षः शब्दस्य अर्थः क. अर्थः मीन्स मीनिंग in English. गवाक्षः means balcony. Okay. In the same way, one blank is there, subject is given and verb not given, verb form not given. Here Bhupalah marge Suvarnakhandam akshipat. Akshipat is a past tense form. Okay. Now next question is answer in Sanskrit. Okay. Then Shabda Rupanam Parichayam. Shabda Rupanam means on the base of Jana chart you have to do this question. Okay. Then question number 4th, that is also grammar question. It is also depend on the present tense forms. Patthami, pathava, pathama, like this. Okay. Then after question number 5 also dhatu rup parichayam. It is also on the base of present tense and future tense. Then after given answer in English. Okay. Question is answer in English. Here question is also in English and you have to write the answer also in English. Okay. Writing this exercise in good handwriting in your fair notebook with the translation properly. You have to send the photocopy on the WhatsApp number given by the school. Okay. Thank you very much.